Recently, we talked about home workouts without using any equipment. These exercises are indeed effective and enjoyable to do while burning calories. If made on a regular basis, noticeable improvement will be experienced in terms of endurance, agility, and muscle tone. But of course, doing the same things over and over again will somehow make you bored, disinterested, or unmotivated. If you reach this situation, or even before reaching the same, you can add some variety of exercises to make your workout more exciting and enjoyable. In this video, we will discuss some cheap and simple home fitness equipment you can buy so that you can perform more exercises which you may integrate to your existing workout regimen. This may also serve as an alternative so that you can do different routines on different days. Welcome to Better Every Day, your source of information on matters of self-improvement, health, motivation, and self-help. Hello and nice to see you again. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be updated of the latest videos which might be of help to your self-improvement. Here are the cheap and simple home fitness equipment you can buy. We decided to use the dollar as currency reference so others can easily relate as to the affordability of the following items. So let us begin. Exercise mat. Exercise mat or the yoga mat helps you perform floor exercises with ease. There are different options to choose from based on thickness, firmness, length, width, and design. After using exercise mats, you can hide it anywhere and would not worry about it being damaged. At its base price, it will only cost you about $12 at Amazon. This should be a must for all who prefer working out at home. Jump rope. This home equipment is also a must for home fitness enthusiasts. A very cheap and handy equipment. You can even place it in your drawer after using it. Jump rope is helpful in improving your cardio. This is a staple exercise for most athletes. You can buy a set for only $5 at Amazon. Just be aware of the length of the jump rope, which should be suitable to your height. Kettlebell. The versatility of the kettlebell is off the charts. It may be used for weight and cardio or high-intensity workouts. This one will serve you to your entire lifetime if you give proper care to it. You can choose whichever weight you prefer depending on the workout you intend to perform. You can buy a 10-pound vinyl-coated kettlebell for only $18. Resistance bands. Due to its portability, versatility, and low cost, resistance bands are loved by many. Knowing its proper use will give you unlimited workouts and can train all parts of your body. You can place it on any part of your house and can be transferred easily. There are choices you can pick based on the thickness of the band, which of course corresponds to the resistance it can provide. First, try the narrowest and gradually shift to a more challenging band as you go along. You can get one to about $10 per piece for starter. Ab wheel. This one is another value for money item. The handle is usually made of stainless steel and built to carry your weight. The wheel is made up of heavy-duty plastic and can withstand repetitive stress. Good for strengthening your core and toning your abs. It is usually paired with a knee cushion to absorb the pressure from your knees. You can buy one for about $14. Core sliders. Exercises using core sliders will challenge your core greatly. Your muscles and different parts of the body will be forced to control the effects of gravity as well as the reduced friction between the sliders and the floor. Sliders are obviously portable and can fit in even to your pockets. One of its slides is usually plastic and the other is made up of foam or soft material. For $14, you can have a pair of this fantastic item. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are commonly used for joint isolation exercises, but dumbbells can be used in a variety of ways. Dumbbells alone can provide you with full body workout. Knowing the different exercises using dumbbells will enable you to benefit your cardiorespiratory fitness, endurance, strength, flexibility, and muscle building. Dumbbells can provide both mechanic and metabolic overload. It can create both inter- and intramuscular coordination, leading to higher levels of muscle activation. It can be used to strengthen your core and build muscles to both the upper and lower muscle groups. You can buy dumbbells in varying weights from 1 pound to 50 pounds and even heavier. The price is about $1 per pound. Medicine ball. The medicine ball is a very versatile fitness accessory. Various exercises can be drawn from this equipment, strengthening all your muscle groups. It is good for your lower limbs as well as your abdominals and your core as a whole. It can be used for warm-up exercises and other exercises that will boost your speed and accuracy. There are exercises using medicine ball to improve your balance, coordination, and posture. There are varieties of medicine balls. Some come with straps, some with handles. There are also inflatable options, and others are filled with sand. You can buy it on Amazon for a base price of about $28. Summing up these equipment, you will notice that it will only cost you less than $200 to have it all and provide you with amazing exercises that will motivate you to stay fit and healthy. We can therefore conclude that staying fit is not that expensive. So you can start collecting it one by one and explore the different exercises that comes with each. I hope that this video helps a lot of you and gives you some motivation or inspiration to engage in fitness activities starting today. If you liked this video, please like and share. If you have other affordable equipment in mind similar to the ones enumerated, you can post your comment so others will also know. Thanks for watching guys, and see you again soon.